right now we are at the Itam Industrial Layout. So this layout is envisages all the internal roads around Itam Industrial Estate. So this is going to be a rigid pavement, so it's going to be finished with concrete, just like what you're seeing at the coastal highway. So if you look at where we are just behind, this is one of the major trunks of the road. So the feeling here is way different from what we have obtainable. This is one of the first of its kind His Excellency is doing. So for the first time, we are paving a road that would not even have asphalt on it. It's going to be finished with concrete. So you're going to have concrete pavers, on the road. So this is the first stage where we are now. So we have cut. This is about almost 3 to 4 meters of removal of unsuitable material. And then we are going to fill everything back to the level we are currently standing on, which is the finished road level. So the whole of the industrial estate is about a 12.3 kilometer road. But the difference there is that the width of the road is almost 30 meters in width of the major trunk and about 22 meters width on the major trunk of the road. So this road seeks to connect all of the industrial buildings and industries in the estate. We were mobilized to site in February, about February. So we moved to site, and because of His Excellency's magnanimity, we saw this project as a key project of His Excellency, trying to also bring up the industrialization in Akwa Ibom State. So it's one project that we do not take for granted, and we swung to action immediately. So if you can even look to the right, the Ministry of Works officials are also on site. Timeline on this project is 24 months. So we have 24 months, which is about 2 years. It's quite a heavy, challenging one. We are getting into the rainy season, but that does not deter us. In construction now, from His Excellency's needs that all the contractors, we have to be on site at every point in time, and that we have to make sure. So we have what we call the concrete wet work. So that is what can carry on during the rainy season. So you can see much of these earth activities will not move today because we are still waiting for the sunlight. Once we have a dry area, we are going to continue working. But for now, the concreting works are moving at a very steady pace.